I'm looking for Ken Pang. The sloth demon told me you'd know where he is.
Ken Pang, you say? Rings a bell, but I don't know who you are. Yes, Ken Pang. Now I remember. He has run into some bad trouble with his gambling debts. I hear they are going to have him executed. If you hurry to the old gambling warehouse in the desert, you might still catch him alive. A pleasure doing business with you.
Considering the value of the Panwan buck, shooting you would have been more expensive.
Pay attention, Scorpio. I will be with you every step of the way. We cannot let Ken Pang be killed. Consider this a business bonus. You are early. If the doorman at the opium den was right, they will soon bring Pang out into the courtyard to have him killed. Set the stage by killing all the guards, and then lure the gambling gangsters out.
Enemy located! All units attack on site!
Hostile spotted in my sector!
Hostile spotted! Attack! Attack!
They just need some reassurance now. Pick up the walkie-talkie and lure them out.
fire. Can we still go through with the execution?
Sloth demon here.
There was a small
I can
disturbance.
extract you to many
We dealt with
locations
it.
all over
Good.
Panau. To
looking
extract
forward
to
to
a
putting this worm
location,
in the
simply
ground.
select this
We're
icon
coming.
on the PDA.
I'll get it all back to
Should
you.
have thought about that before you threw away
No,
our money.
please. I swear I will make it right. Please, not like this.
Take out the executioner first.
Now, my old friend, we shall part ways. You will be sent to hell for your sins.
Please, mister. Help me get out of here. Come on, let's go. They'll kill me for sure.
Take out the executioner first.
Now, my old friend, we shall part ways. Now, don't be
Reporting hostiles in a set.
Please, mister. Help me get out of here.
Take out the executioner first.
Now, my old friend, we shall part ways. You will be sent to hell.
Please, mister. Help me get out of here. Come on, let's go. They'll kill me for sure. Please, mister. Help. Please, let's just get out of here. Thank you. Thank you. You saved my life.
I'm not here for your benefit, you worm. I'm looking for the White Tiger.
Okay. I take you to him. Get on one of the bikes and follow me. Try to keep up. The White Tiger doesn't like waiting. It's an ambush! Damn it, more of them! We're done for!
For real.
want to get killed. Now, let's go to the hideout. The White Tiger is American, you know, but he's a good man. Every time I gamble my money away, he would help me so I could keep providing him with info. I am grateful. I hope you will treat him well when you meet him, huh? I only wish I could have been less of a disappointment to him. Soldiers, there's a price on my head, you know.
You're going no place till I've seen the White Tiger.
If the soldiers haven't killed them, they've evacuated. Maybe you can find some sort of clue. These people are always leaving something behind.
I just overheard a military radio dispatch. They have located a data device, probably one left for you by the White Tigers. You should get it before they figure out how to read it.
Hopefully something helpful for a change.
Enemy sighted! All available units advance!
A dead drop. Standard agency issue. Weird. I'll plug it in.
Hola, amigo! It's your Uncle Sheldon. So, you finally found the dead drop? You'll be able to get to the new hideout using the tracker on your PDA. I done placed a beacon set to your frequency, hombre. Hurry up and get here, and I'll fill you in on the story. Over and out.
I guess it's pretty clear. Follow the beacon. Find Sheldon.
We have a visual. Requesting backup.
A chopper! Seems my ride's here! Don't take no passengers.
Nice of you to drop in, Hyundai.
Sheldon?
Heck, where's my manners? Some of my boys got a little carried away with their lynching.
So now we got that squared. You know how close I came to killing you?
Look at him roast, Rico. Dripping with delicious fat. I got him just where I want him. Kinda like I had you.
Where are you going with this, Sheldon?
The sloth demon, baby. Come on, Rico. That was me all along. I was playing you like a marlin off the keys.
Sloth Demon. Tom Sheldon. An anagram. You and your stupid word games.
Sweet Mary Lou, government troops.
Mind if I borrow this?
Might come in handy.
Alert! Report the hostile in the area. All available units respond.
Okay, here's the road. President Panay's got something going on. Something that made him turn on old Uncle Sam for protection. I had to go deep undercover lest I be killed. This made the pencil pushers back at Camp Swamp think I had gone rogue. They didn't send you after my ass. Something jagundo's going down here, Kemosabe. There's some major players on the bench, and they sure as hell ain't locals.
Come on! There he goes! Any idea who?
Not yet. And that pisses me off. I hate not knowing who's playing the game.
I know the feeling, my friend.
Follow me, Rico, and let's finish these clowns off. Yeehaw! Good to be working with you again, brother.
Seems I wasn't the only one looking for you.
Yeah, that's another thing. Baby Panay's all over my ass, and my white tiger cover was waterproof. So somebody must have tipped him off that I'm here.
Jade Dan?
Nah, she's an agency asset. Couldn't you tell?
And I thought she liked me for my personality. Then who?
My money's on the Swede. He's the only one who knew I worked the white tiger angle.
Carl Blaine. He did disappear. Not a trace.
Oh, yeah? Hey, give me that PDA. Oh, heck, Rico. You offered to download some intel, huh? Oh.
And he put a bug in it.
Yep, he picked up a trick or two working for us, it seems. And then when the government caught him...
He probably spilled his guts when they hid the booze.
There. Now, if we have another barbecue, ain't gonna be no government gate crashers. Rico, my friend, I need you to do what you've been doing up until now. Keep that chaos building. Your gangster buddies are surely in deep with these unknown players, so you need to be in deep with them too. Soon the whole thing will come crashing down, revealing who's behind this big mess. Me? I'm gonna square my deal with my White Tiger hirelings. Their job here is done.